Hey everyone, are you looking to build a website for your business or brand? Using the Socialverse Web Builder, you can build a website for your business or brand in under 30 minutes. Get started today. Using the Socialverse web building platform, you'll be able to build a website for your business or brand, an online store, a landing page, or a funnel. We offer 75 plus different templates for you to start from. Let's show you how easy it is really to build on our platform. Let's start with this template. You'll be able to name your new website. Don't worry, you can always change this later on. You'll also be able to pick your brand's colors from the start. You'll also be able to change this later on if you wish to. Starting from the template, you'll be able to customize 100% of your website to your liking. Every website built on our platform comes with a building system, an online store, a CRM, and a booking and appointments section. Adding new pages or blocks within your website using the SV Web Builder is made easy. We have custom templates for pages and blocks pre-made and selected for you. All you have to do is select the category or page type that you want. Let's show you how easy it really is to edit a website. So as you can see, we have a block selected, and you can come in and change the colors, the text, the images, anything you want to do. It's all drag and drop. That way, when you're editing your website, you don't have to know how to write one line of code. Remember, even though you started with a template for your new website, you can still customize your website 100% to your liking from all the text. As you can see, for example, I'm just going to change the site name real quick to website example. Let's change the heading on the website. It's as easy as selecting it and typing out whatever selected text you want. Editing your new site is made easy via our drag and drop system. It's as easy as sliding and dragging different components around the site. Let's take a look at another website template. Using our builder, you have access to a color palette at any time. The color palette is where you can control your website's main colors. As you can see, the primary color is the primary color of all buttons and text. Using the color palette, you can change this at any point in time within your website. Using the primary color will automatically change your website's primary color. As you can see, you can add secondary colors. All websites built on our platform are already mobile optimized. You still have the option to edit your mobile version of your website if you wish to do so in the mobile editor. Try it out today with the free 14-day trial only at www.socialverse.com.